In the midst of the light, Goggle Boy comes out.
Hi.
So, yesterday I didn't film, but we took the old broken coil springs out. Put the new Hotchkiss ones in. Hotchkiss.
Garbage.
Garbage. Yeah, I heated those to find my right height. Yeah. Never heat your springs, children. Just buy new ones. Bam!
Still got decent suspension too.
Yeah. Put that back. Show them what we're doing.
Oh, okay.
Today, we're tackling, since we got most of the weight on the car, you know, it's not going to get much heavier than that. We're going to set up the steering. The only thing I got a problem with, both my hind joints are in the house. Well, I said both my hind joints are in the house. One problem is that that part is going to be like right here, so we're going to cut out a lot. Oh, there, James.
Yeah,
James going to hold it in spot.
Yeah, roughly around there.
Yeah, so we're going to have to cut out some of that.
So we can run up through here,
Yeah.
underneath the spark plugs, and up.
We're going to try to stay under the headers there, so save us some trouble on that. All right, but yeah, everything is still in place.
Dog's on the back of my head now.
Yeah, fuck it. We're both fucking hacking up a lung. Fuck. All right, got one bracket made to hold the rack in place on the frame. Now I got the second one made, I just gotta drill it out. Ooh, it's still hot, it's still hot, it's still hot. All right, we'll set it up. Ta-da. Done and done. Eve is working on this because it's a must. Blew a bottom ball joint. Had to buy a whole new control arm because his bushing was fucked anyway. New CV shaft. What the hell? And I just stripped the upper thing and he's gonna change the upper ball joint. What a guy. So I'm over here working on the Camaro. Imagine it sat that low. Ah, awesome. Okay, so I'm working on the steering. I got it all welded in place. And now I gotta cut out a chunk right there so I can pass steering stuff under the engine plate. I got a guy who's gonna, okay, hang on. I'm gonna get the parts there and then I'll explain it. Actually, I got a part in my pocket. We're good to go. This right here is a heim joint that goes in there. And like that's made for like a suspension link, right? So what I'm gonna do is, like, I got a guy that's gonna machine me a sleeve that's gonna fit over that and into that. I'm gonna drill and throw pins and weld everything up, and it should be nice and tight. Hopefully we'll get to go racing. I was talking to a guy this morning. I don't know if he watches my videos, but he's laughing at me there because I didn't make it out last year and the year before and stuff like that, just because shit happened. And he's just teasing me that this one's gonna fucking break down and I'm not even gonna make it or whatever. So there's my motivation. Those are the guys we go after. All right, carry on. Well, as you can tell, I'm making the front brackets for hold the front end up. Car looks pretty damn good. With the front end on. Oh yeah. So, I'm doing that now just so I can have that ready and make rad brackets. Still waiting on some parts for steering. So I'm doing that. Once it's all done, I'm gonna go back inside and change the back bar so I can fit the seats in, whatnot. I got my aluminum, so that's what I mean there. I'm fucking gonna start making some shit happen. Make my firewall, my floor. Once that's done, then Eve can start wiring the car. So shut that off there. 2 seconds. Looks nice Chev. Did an oil change. My sexy rad. Love parts. Love parts. It's awesome when there's a bunch of GMs in the garage. Alright, back here on the big block Camaro drag build project. I cut and notched my frame to fit the rad. The rad I have is too big. It's brand new. It's a lot of money, so I'm not. Anyway, that's the front part of the frame. It doesn't really matter. There's no strength or support needed there. But I'm still, I'm gonna cut. I've already got 2 plates made, but they go for inside there and on the other side. This side's a little bit different because of the neck to make it come in and out there. I'll show ya. So, as you can see, alright, with my magnet there, life is so much easier. Everything is in the right spot, so I can go ahead and put some healthy tack welds in there. There we go. Well, as you can see, it's all boxed in. It's all welded in. Started grinding a little bit there. Then I got too crazy, got other stuff to do. So that's that side. Now we're gonna get on to the other side. Alright, got the rad in place. All the cutouts are done and plated. That side's done and plated. As you can see, the rad fits nicely in there. With a minimal room. This side has a little more room for the neck at the bottom, like previously explained. So that slips in and out. Okay, now what I'm going to do is the mounting. I'm going to weld that steel plate to the bottom, the frame, and then I'm going to weld some tabs onto the rad itself, and then it'll just bolt up. And then I'll strengthify, solidify that bracket by bolting it to the roll cage or to somewhere else, just triangulate it somehow, give it some strength. Cool, that's where we're at. All right, we're all set up here. We're gonna start welding on some tabs for the mounts. What you want to do, I pre-cleaned all the tabs and shit. I gotta clean the rod up real good. Even if it's brand new, it doesn't mean it's clean. Can you see a difference there? Does it look really nice and shiny in here, and here it's still kind of dullish. I was holding it on there so I could tack the side, and then I'm going to take it off because you don't want to roll that on. I do good when the camera's off.
Fuck. That's fucking bright. Holy shit, man. Your fucking thing's gonna fall off.
What's that? The welding's not that explosive.
Oh, you did this?
No.
I was gonna say, fuck, that's pretty nice.
It's actually pretty good.
All right, all our mounts are done. We're gonna set it back in place, and then we're gonna draw our holes to drill out on that other plate, and then this camera's about to die. All right, I'm filming a bit. I don't know if I've shown that or little piece that I made for the steering. But now I'm on the headers. I got that done so far, and the rest I'm gonna make sitting right there. What you doing? Time for her to go to bed. So yeah, what we started out with were Super Comp hooker headers. I'm not sure what they're from. Picked them up at the flea market for 50 bucks. So cut chop, good to go. Yeah, there's a look at that for the steering. What do you want? What do you want? Are you being an attention whore? Hey? Hey? Hey, oh, she just wants some snuggles. You want snuggles? Yeah. Say hello. Say hello. Alright, back to work. Well, a little bit later, it's all one piece. I still gotta finish stitch welding up some spots there. But turned out not too bad. Goes out exactly where it needs to go, outside that hole in the fender. Oh, look at that big hole in the fender. Oh, it's beautiful. There's also a hole in that fender. It's also beautiful. Anyways, I'm calling it a night. I don't know exactly where this is going to be in the video, but I don't know. We can just keep going. We'll just keep going until it's done. That's all that matters. Good night.